One of the biggest questions that I get on my Instagram pretty much every single week is, can you monetize faceless video content on Facebook? And the answer is yes, you can. There you go. You can quit this video. You can exit and go watch any other video you want. But if you're interested in learning how to do that, I'm gonna give you the steps that you need to follow to make sure you're doing this properly. And the reason why I know this works is because I've been lucky enough to work with a lot of people, and I've seen what type of videos you can monetize and how much money you can make from different types of niches and videos. So I can tell you from my experience that yes, faceless videos can make you a lot of money. You just gotta have the right framework for your videos, which I'm gonna show you in this video. So let's take a look at some of the faceless video content on Facebook that is currently being monetized and getting a lot of views. So as you can see, this video right here has 3.1 million views. The video is 27 minutes long. I actually don't recommend uploading such long videos on Facebook. I don't think Facebook is really the place for this. But what I believe is this person is doing is essentially taking the videos that they're already making from YouTube and just re-uploading that exact same video on Facebook, which is something that I don't recommend you do. There's several reasons why you shouldn't do that. One of them is violations. The other one is you want to format the video to perhaps perform a little bit better. But anyways, that is different from what we're talking about in this video. So this video did pretty well, 3 million views, and this is not, you can see the storytelling right here. I'm gonna play the video for you a little bit so you can hear what the audio actually sounds like and all that.
Weave erratically between lanes, and her movements are unpredictable, accelerating to 46 miles per hour in a 35 mile per hour zone, then abruptly slowing down.
So essentially what this video is commentary, a voiceover. I'm not sure if it's AI, but it does sound a little bit like an AI voice. Storytelling, voiceover, commentary, this works really well. This video, as you can see, 27 minutes long, 37,000 likes, 3,000 comments. So the video did quite well. And you can find a ton of other Facebook pages doing something very similar. And like I said, in this case, this video, even though this video is monetized, most likely the person it's making videos for YouTube first and then taking those same videos and uploading those videos on Facebook. So I don't recommend you do that. I would say you can definitely do videos for YouTube and then repurpose those videos for Facebook, but you still got to edit those videos to make them Facebook friendly, meaning that you want to have the right formats. You want to make sure the videos are not too long, because I am guessing, even though this video had 3 million views, it could probably get 50 million views if the video was anywhere from 5 to 8 minutes. And you could condense the story into that and essentially get more people to watch longer, because it's really difficult to get someone to watch a 27-minute video on Facebook. So I'm going to show you now the king of faceless videos on Facebook. And this is Aussie Man Reviews. He still gets millions and millions of views every single month. I'm guessing anywhere from 100 million to 200 million views per month based on the numbers that I've seen from his videos. And you can see that his latest video, you can see here 17.7 million views, and it's all faceless. It's essentially him adding commentary to the video. It is funny commentary. It's entertaining, which is why the videos work so well. He's a really funny guy. He knows how to create funny commentary to his videos. So people really like his stuff and they just share his videos a lot. The Facebook algorithm loves his videos, and he's making a ton of money doing these type of videos. I'm gonna play a little bit of the video for you so you can hear exactly what he does.
Welcome back, everyone. It's time for Lucky People Part 5. Here's a giant cylinder rolling around a car park. Someone's day is about to get ruined. No, it's avoiding the cars. All credit to the cylinder.
So you can see, not even captions on the video. It's just him talking over the video, describing what's gonna happen and just making it funny. That's just essentially what he does with the videos. And faceless videos, guys, all you got to do is make sure that you find your flow within what type of videos you're trying to make. And you can either make storytelling videos or you can make entertaining videos, one of those two. And I'm gonna give you the framework that you need to follow. So obviously these videos are monetized and making money, and you don't see any faces. It's usually just third-party content, meaning videos from other sources and videos that are re-edited into something brand new, and it's typically just voiceover. You can't simply just take any video from the web and just re-upload it on Facebook and expect to make money. It doesn't work like that. You have to create something transformative, meaning that you take that video and you add value to that video. It's not just about stealing other people's videos, uploading on Facebook, and hoping that you make money from those videos. You don't want to take the lazy way out. You actually want to take the time to build a page, to make content that can be monetized for a very long time. Taking other people's videos and just uploading those videos on Facebook, it's not going to work. Sooner or later, you might make money for a little while, but sooner or later, Facebook might take those videos down or just demonetize your page. So here's the framework that you need to use if you want to monetize faceless videos on Facebook. The first thing is you need to pick one niche for your faceless videos. You want to remove or minimize the original music or sound from whatever video you're going to be using for your faceless page. So just like Aussie Man Review does, all you hear is his voiceover on the video. He just removes the entire sound from this video and just adds his commentary to the videos, because sometimes the Facebook algorithm will detect a video and it will claim the video automatically just because of the sound that is playing on that video. So if you want to stay a little bit safer, I would recommend just removing the sounds entirely from the video and just having your commentary, storytelling, voiceover on these videos with no sound. Honestly, what we're trying to do is make something completely brand new from an existing video. And again, this just depends on the type of video you're making, because in certain cases, you can't remove the sound. Let's say you're doing a commentary on an interview, for example, you can't remove the sound from the interview. So it just applies differently depending on the type of videos you're making. You need to upload lots and lots of videos, guys. There's no way around this. In order for you to gather data and know exactly what's working for the audience you're trying to build, the more videos you post, the better. The more data you're gonna have, and you're gonna be able to identify the winners. Just by uploading 5 faceless videos and not getting any views doesn't mean that the content doesn't work. If there's other pages out there doing the exact same thing as you and they're getting views, most likely it's going to work for you. Just have to build a bigger audience, perhaps make your videos a little bit better, and just post consistently. And once you have, let's say, 50 videos on your page, now you have enough data to say, okay, these are the videos that are working best. These are the videos that the Facebook algorithm likes. And these are the videos that most likely are making me the most money. So I should just make more of these videos. And trust me when I say these, the best way to know exactly what's working on Facebook, what's going viral, is to just spend time watching videos on Facebook and just watching what your competitors and other pages are uploading and identifying which other videos are going viral. And then you can simply mimic or just get ideas of what's working for them and apply it to your own page to see if it works for you. So listen, if you want to build a successful Facebook page that can make you $5,000, $10,000 per month, and if you want to learn exactly how to do that, then go ahead and watch this video right here where I break down the entire process of growing a Facebook page from beginning to end and how you can actually go viral and make money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.